up, everybody? This is the 50th episode of Definitely Not Mechanic. It's also our 500 subscriber video. First off, I want to thank everybody for all your support, hitting that subscribe button, everything you guys do, buying our merch, everything like that. You kind of notice we're at a new place right now. So to celebrate, we're going to show you something that we're moving towards, and I'm lost track.
We got a new shop. It's
great. We have a new shop.
So Nick's just trying to let y'all know that we are merging with my buddy Michael Cope over here, aka Bagger Works Racing. He has been gracious enough to let us move into his shop. So we have a new home.
Hey, bud. Tons of new content coming. All kinds of cars, different cars than just the Rust Bucket. There's gonna be a lot of tutorials, all kinds of stuff.
Let's break it down with explosions and bass drops. There's gonna be projects. There's gonna be more projects. There's gonna be shenanigans, more tools, more space. We're painting the walls pink.
We're not, no pink, no.
But also, Logan's retarded.
We all know that.
You can't say the R word anymore, Zach.
But hey, right now, because this is our 500 subscriber video, right now, go drop a comment, enter in to win our contest. $50, $30, and $15 merch prizes. So right now, go write a comment, anything. How much
you have to be a subscriber.
Have to be a subscriber.
You have to like the video, this one right here.
This
and
video.
You have to comment right down below there somewhere.
Right now, like, share, comment, or yeah, whatever.
Do all the stuff that you're supposed to and win some shit.
Yes, free shit. We love you guys.
Free shit alert! Free shit alert!
I want to do it like up there, like above you, like. I'm gonna take you on a little tour of the shop, what it looks like, where our new home is. We're out here in Rowlett. Logan's gonna show us around here.
Oh, I am?
Nope, just kidding. There's
a bunch of bikes over here, and there's some more bikes over there.
So the shop is going from a bike shop to a car shop again, working on cars, everything like that, bagging. Over here, we're gonna, in the corner, there's gonna be one lift, and we're gonna have another lift kind of off in this area. Tools, we're gonna bring all our tools over here. Rust Bucket's new home is here, and you can kind of see the shop from this angle.
Hey, can we bring the Mercedes home?
You know what? We might have to
bring the Mercedes home.
Yeah. All right. That's it for today's episode. Remember, contest, 500 subscriber contest right now. Go hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment down below. Get off.
You have to
comment down. Have to comment.
Go down below.
Down all the way down there.
Oh. Comment.
Oh no, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. But
not kidding.
Not kidding. But thanks, guys. Everything. You guys have anything?
Thanks, everything, guys.
Thanks, everything, guys.
We really appreciate it.
Like, share, comment, subscribe.
Y'all make him nervous.
I'm so nervous. And act like I don't know nobody.
I'll see you guys later.
Woo!